Bamboo is one of the most ecologically valuable plants in the world. With over 1,000 species that adapt to a wide range of climates, bamboo is not only an important part of the ecosystem, but also an essential raw material in many industries. Every year, 132 billion pounds of bamboo are harvested globally for a variety of purposes. But how does bamboo grow, and what happens to it after it is harvested? Let's find out. Growing bamboo requires careful preparation. Well, instead of sowing seeds, bamboo is mainly propagated by cuttings. Farmers select healthy mother plants between 2 and 5 years old, ensuring they are free of pests and diseases. Next, they make a 2-3 seam circular cut around the cutting, removing the outer bark and growth tissue to stimulate root development. The cutting is then placed in soil, and after a while, roots begin to grow, resulting in a strong young plant. In addition to traditional propagation, bamboo can also be propagated by micropropagation, starting from the meristem or young shoots of a healthy mother plant, cultured in a nutrient medium to stimulate growth. When the cells divide, they form young shoots, which are then transferred to a suitable environment to grow roots. The seedlings are then cared for before being transferred to a nursery to adapt to nature. This technique helps to propagate quickly. The seedlings are uniform, disease-resistant, and preserve rare varieties. Once fully acclimatized, bamboo enters a growth spurt. Unlike many other plants that take decades to mature, bamboo can reach its full height in just a few months if ideal conditions are met. With temperatures between 20-30 dCc and high humidity, some species of bamboo can grow up to 30 meters in record time. This makes bamboo one of the most sustainable natural resources on the planet. Bamboo harvesting relies largely on manual labor, with workers using simple tools to cut and transport the bamboo. This process requires precision and timing and typically occurs when the plant is 3 to 5 years old, depending on its intended use. Immature bamboo stems can be identified by their dark color and hard bark, indicating that they have reached the ideal durability for processing. Harvesting at the right stage not only helps preserve the quality of the bamboo fiber, but also ensures high production efficiency. After being harvested, bamboo undergoes a treatment process to enhance durability and prevent infestations by termites and mold. One common method is water soaking, where the bamboo is submerged for several weeks or even months to remove starch, which attracts insects. Additionally, bamboo can be smoke cured, chemically treated, or naturally dried to improve hardness and extend its lifespan before being used. At the factories, bamboo undergoes a series of mechanical and chemical treatments to prepare it for various uses. One of the most popular products made from bamboo is bio-based straws, a sustainable alternative to plastic straws. Then, the bamboo is cut using an automatic system with sharp blades, ensuring the straws are of uniform length. The first step in the bamboo straw production process is steam sterilization. Then, the bamboo straws are thoroughly brushed to completely remove excess fibers, ensuring a smooth surface. Products that meet standards will continue through the final inspection step, where workers carefully evaluate each straw. Finally, they are reclassified, tied into bundles, and ready for the packaging process and export to the market. Bamboo is used to produce coffee stirrers and ice cream sticks due to its durability, lightweight, and eco-friendly properties. After harvesting, the bamboo is processed, cut to the appropriate size, then split and cleaned to ensure quality. Next, the bamboo strips are polished and precisely shaped according to standards before being formed into the final product. To enhance safety, coffee stirrers are wrapped in paper, while ice cream sticks are rounded at both ends. Finally, the products undergo rigorous quality inspection before being packaged and distributed to the market. Besides, bamboo is also an ideal material to produce environmentally friendly toothbrushes, a sustainable solution to replace plastic. After harvesting, bamboo is carefully processed to ensure a smooth surface with no rough bark or sharp edges. Each part of the handle is shaped and drilled with precise holes to attach the bristles, making the product sturdy and durable. Before finishing, the brush is laser engraved to create a brand mark, then packaged in a paper box. With a modern production process, every step is strictly controlled, ensuring quality before the product reaches consumers. With its remarkable growth rate, rapid regeneration ability, and diverse applications, bamboo is one of the most sustainable crops today. As the world gradually moves towards environmentally friendly solutions, bamboo is becoming a symbol of sustainability and nature protection. Since its inception, bamboo has been shaping many industries around the world and promises to grow even stronger in the future. What do you think about the role of bamboo in sustainable agriculture? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any exciting content. Thank you for watching! Welcome to our video. In this documentary, we will take you into the fascinating art of harvesting and processing persimmons, revealing the dedication, skill, and rich traditions that transform these vibrant fruits into delicious, naturally dried persimmons. From the very moment the persimmons are carefully picked to the intricate drying methods, every single step reflects a true love for farming and a deep respect and appreciation for nature. The harvesting process is done by hand to ensure that each fruit reaches the highest quality. Farmers skillfully climb the trees or use ladders, carefully picking each persimmon to avoid damage. After harvest, the persimmons are placed in baskets or trays with shock-absorbing material, preparing them for the next stage of transportation and processing. Each persimmon is the result of hard work and time spent nurturing the tree, so this process requires not only technique but also patience and respect for nature. The persimmon harvest season brings a bustling yet joyful and meaningful atmosphere. It is a time when farmers are rewarded for their efforts throughout the year, and it also contributes to preserving and developing the traditional practice of persimmon farming, creating high-quality, delicious products for consumers. When the persimmons are transported to the factory, the first step is sorting to select only the best quality fruits for the processing procedure. The persimmons are thoroughly inspected to remove any that are damaged, scratched, or show signs of disease. Then they are classified by size, color, and ripeness, ensuring uniformity in each batch. Careful sorting not only enhances the product quality, but also ensures aesthetic appeal and nutritional value, providing consumers with perfect products. After sorting, the preparation process begins. This step is both meticulous and time-consuming. The persimmons are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities, with particular attention paid to the stem area, as it is a place that is prone to mold if not cleaned carefully. The next step is peeling, a completely manual process. Each persimmon is carefully peeled with the help of tools, requiring patience and precision. While it may seem like a tedious task, it is a crucial step to preserve the natural sweetness of the fruit and prevent spoilage. The peel must be removed evenly to ensure that the persimmons dry uniformly, which greatly affects the final texture and flavor. After being peeled, the persimmons are arranged for drying. This step transforms the fresh fruits into a long linen specialty. Depending on the region, the drying method may vary, but all methods focus on preserving the natural quality of the fruit. One of the standout techniques in persimmon processing is hanging the persimmons in long strings, known as wind drying. This method not only enhances the flavor, but also creates a beautiful sight as the bright orange persimmons gently sway in the breeze, blending nature with human craftsmanship. The wind helps the fruit dry evenly, maintaining its softness and natural sweetness. Drying persimmons requires ideal weather conditions, mild, sunny days with a breeze, so the fruit can dry gradually without losing moisture too quickly. Excessive heat will cause the persimmons to become tough and less tasty. The best months for drying persimmons are from October to December, when the weather is dry and cool. In areas with high humidity, drying persimmons becomes challenging due to the risk of mold, which can spoil the batch. Therefore, farmers must regularly check and remove any damaged fruits to protect the quality of the entire batch. The drying process lasts about 14 days, during which the persimmons gradually transform into the final product. Soft, sweet, flavorful dried persimmons with a deep orange color and a delicate texture. These dried persimmons are not only visually appealing, but also versatile, perfect for direct consumption or paired with green tea, a classic combination that enhances the flavor of the fruit. In addition to traditional whole persimmons dried by the conventional method, persimmons are now also processed into thin slices and dried into snack form, offering a fresh and convenient option for consumers, especially those who appreciate convenience and speed. Join us as we explore a factory producing persimmon chips to learn more about the detailed end-to-end production process. The snack production process begins with peeling the persimmon using specialized machines and carefully cleaning the stem end of each fruit to ensure that no dirt or impurities remain, which could affect product quality. After the cleaning process is complete, the persimmons are fed into a machine that slices them into thin pieces, which are then carefully arranged on trays in preparation for the drying process. This stage is critical as it removes most of the moisture from the persimmons while preserving their natural flavor and nutritional value. Once the drying process is completed, the product cannot be immediately packaged but must undergo a rigorous quality inspection process. Only those persimmon snack slices that meet the standards are selected and transported to a cold storage warehouse to maintain freshness, prevent the impact of external temperatures, and preserve product quality before packaging. Furthermore, to ensure the highest quality, an internal quality control laboratory oversees the entire production and packaging process, from raw material intake to the final product. In the packaging area, the dry persimmon slices are carefully selected and precisely handled before being packaged according to specific technical requirements. This closed-loop process not only ensures optimal hygiene safety, but also meets high-quality standards, providing consumers with delicious and nutritious dried persimmon slices. With the growing demand for natural food products, dried persimmon snacks are becoming an attractive item for importers. Compared to traditional snacks, dried persimmons offer superior nutritional value and are processed through a natural method without the use of chemicals, which appeals to modern consumers. This not only helps develop the export market, but also contributes to the agricultural economy of the country. As we conclude our journey exploring the art of persimmon farming, we hope you have gained a deeper understanding of this wonderful fruit and its profound value in human life. Have you ever tried dried persimmons? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel to keep following more fascinating stories about farming. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next documentary. Welcome back to our channel. Pistachios are one of the most beloved nuts worldwide, cherished for their unique flavor, health benefits, and incredible nutritional value. This documentary will take you on an exciting journey through each stage of the pistachio production process, from cultivation in fertile fields to the meticulous processing steps that bring them to consumers' hands. Let's embark on this fascinating journey together. Pistachios, also known as green gold, have been cultivated for thousands of years, with their origins tracing back to the Middle East and Central Asia. Today, pistachios thrive in regions with hot, dry climates and well-drained soil, making countries such as Iran, the United States, and Turkey the largest producers worldwide. Growing pistachios is a process that requires meticulous care, precision, and a deep understanding of the specific needs and requirements of the crop. After 3-4 weeks, the seeds will sprout and develop into seedling. In addition to seed propagation, pistachios are also propagated through grafting, a technique that preserves the superior traits of the parent tree. This method is typically performed in spring or early summer during vigorous tree growth. Healthy scions from the parent tree are grafted onto well-prepared rootstocks, ensuring good contact between the bark and cambium layers. This approach not only shortens the maturity period, but also improves yield, nut quality, and adaptability to the environment. Once the young plants reach a height of 20-30 cm and their root systems are well developed, they will be transferred to a larger orchard for permanent planting. The ideal time for this is early spring or autumn, when the weather is cool, making it easier for the plants to adapt. The trees are spaced 5-7 meters apart to ensure room for growth and to facilitate maintenance and care. Pistachio trees take time to mature, typically requiring 5 to 7 years to produce significant fruit. However, once mature, they can bear nuts for over a century, making them a long-term investment for farmers. In the early years, regular irrigation is crucial, especially during the dry season, to ensure young plants do not suffer from water shortages. Fertilizers should also be applied periodically to promote the development of roots and foliage. Additionally, regular inspections are necessary to detect pests such as aphids or fungi early and apply appropriate control measures, prioritizing biological methods to protect the environment. Careful attention during this period will ensure healthy plant growth, laying the foundation for stable yields in the future. Growing pistachios demands attention to detail, particularly during each stage of the tree's development. Pistachio trees bloom in early spring as temperatures warm, with clusters of small, pale green flowers that present a vibrant scene. After blooming, these clusters develop into fruit. Pollination is another critical aspect of pistachio farming, directly influencing yield and nut quality. Pistachio trees rely primarily on wind for pollination, making the arrangement of male and female trees in the orchard vital. Typically, one male tree is planted for every 15-25 female trees to ensure adequate pollen distribution and optimize pollination. Harvesting pistachios is a crucial and challenging phase. The nuts are ready for harvest when the outer hull changes color and begins to split, revealing the hard shell inside. Timing is critical. Harvesting too early results in underdeveloped nuts, while harvesting too late may lead to damage from pests or high humidity, compromising product quality. During the harvest process, farmers use a mechanical shaker, a modern device that gently shakes the tree trunk without damaging the branches or fruit. The machine generates vibrations that cause mature pistachio nuts to fall to the ground without cracking or breaking, thanks to its special design that protects the shell. To collect the fallen nuts, farmers lay down large mesh sheets or frames under the tree, preventing the nuts from scattering and making collection easier. Some farms even use automatic harvesters to save time and effort, ensuring high efficiency while minimizing losses during harvest. The use of mechanical shakers not only speeds up harvesting, but also reduces human interference with the trees, minimizing damage and improving labor efficiency. This technology enhances product quality and supports the sustainable development of the pistachio industry. After harvesting, pistachios undergo a series of meticulous processing steps to ensure quality before reaching consumers. Once transported to the factory, the pistachios are stripped of their outer shells using specialized equipment. Next, they are fed into an automated sorting system that employs advanced optical technology with modern sensors and cameras. This system accurately evaluates each nut based on factors such as size, color, and shape, while simultaneously removing any nuts that do not meet quality standards. However, to achieve the highest level of accuracy, manual inspection remains indispensable. Skilled workers meticulously examine each pistachio to detect minor defects that automated systems might overlook. The combination of advanced technology and meticulous manual inspection not only raises quality standards, but also provides consumers with a sense of trust and confidence. Once the process is complete, the selected pistachios are carefully packaged, ready for export to international markets. Some pistachios will undergo an additional process to remove the hard shell, revealing the vibrant green kernel inside, which creates an appealing and attractive appearance. This process is carried out using advanced machinery to ensure that the shape and natural flavor of the pistachios remain intact. The kernels are then meticulously inspected and sorted to meet strict criteria for size, shape, and quality. The pistachios that meet these high standards are carefully packed in specialized packaging designed to preserve their flavor and freshness for an extended period. The finished products are thoroughly prepared for export to international markets, bringing premium quality pistachios to consumers worldwide. Through this video, we hope you have gained a deep insight into the art of pistachio farming, from the meticulous care in nurturing the trees to the modern techniques in harvesting and processing. Now, we would love to hear your thoughts. Share your opinions and experiences in the comments section below the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for the latest agricultural documentaries. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome to the documentary about the mango agriculture industry, where we will explore the journey from young mango saplings to ripe, luscious fruits that are processed and displayed on supermarket shelves. Known as the king of fruits, mangoes are celebrated not only for their sweet flavor, but also for their versatility and usage. This video will showcase the entire production process, from planting and cultivation to processing, featuring special techniques that have made mangoes a beloved fruit for millions around the world. Mango harvesting is truly an art that thoughtfully combines traditional methods with modern techniques to ensure the highest possible quality fruit. In areas with low-hanging mango trees, farmers carefully handpick the fruits or utilize specialized tools, following a traditional practice that has been passed down through many generations. This thoughtful approach minimizes damage to the trees and helps preserve the mango's natural sweetness. For taller trees, farmers use long poles with nets attached to gently pluck the fruits from the branches. Each mango is carefully inspected for ripeness, and any underripe ones are left on the tree to mature further. This selective and detailed harvesting method ensures that only the very finest mangoes proceed to the next stage of production. After harvesting, mangoes are transported to processing facilities where meticulous handling ensures the best quality for the market. The first step is cleaning, during which the mangoes are placed into an automated washing system that uses high-pressure water to remove dirt and impurities from their surface. Next, they undergo a sorting process using advanced optical technology, employing sensors and imaging to thoroughly evaluate their color, size, and surface condition. Mangoes that do not meet the standards are discarded, while the qualified ones proceed to manual inspection by an experienced team to ensure no defects are overlooked. Finally, the mangoes are carefully packed in specialized boxes, which not only protect the fruit during transportation, but also leave a professional impression when delivered to consumers. From processing to packaging, the entire process strictly adheres to food safety and hygiene standards, while preserving the mango's delightful flavor and attractive appearance, helping the product stand out in the market. Some mangoes are de-seeded and crushed using modern equipment. High-performance mango crushers execute this entire process seamlessly, achieving up to 99.5% efficiency. This ensures maximum pulp recovery and minimizes waste. Thanks to its superior performance, the process not only optimizes yield, but also enhances economic efficiency in mango juice production. Throughout the process, the peel, seeds, and mango flesh are neatly separated, ensuring smooth and effective operation. Although manual crushing is possible without machinery, it often results in significant pulp loss and requires greater labor efforts. Skilled workers use specialized knives with adjustable blades to peel the mangoes precisely, adjusting the blade thickness to match the shape of each fruit. After peeling, the mango flesh is separated from the hard seed using specialized slicers, ensuring the process is both accurate and efficient. Mangoes, after being carefully selected, are washed using an automated cleaning system to thoroughly eliminate dirt, residues, and chemical traces. Next, the mangoes are cut into smaller pieces and subjected to a freezing process at extremely low temperatures. This method preserves the structure and freshness of the mangoes, making them ready for subsequent processing stages or long-term storage. Thanks to this rigorous process, the product retains superior quality, meeting the diverse needs of consumers. In addition to being processed into mango puree, mangoes are also used to produce mango drinks, a popular and appealing product line in the market. After being carefully selected, mangoes are washed, peeled, and de-seeded before being pureed to extract the pulp. This mango pulp is then blended with water, sugar, and other ingredients such as citric acid or natural flavorings to balance the taste and create a finished product. Depending on the recipe, mango drinks can be crafted into pure mango juice, mango smoothies, or carbonated beverages with mango flavor. The finished product is carefully packaged in a sterile environment to ensure optimal food safety and effectively extend its shelf life. With a delightful sweet taste, vibrant and appealing color, and high nutritional value, mango-based beverages not only fulfill the need for refreshment, but also deliver a sense of freshness and nourishment to consumers. This represents an excellent way to fully utilize the potential of this tropical fruit in the dynamic food and beverage industry. Cultivating mangoes requires meticulous preparation and a deep understanding of suitable ecological conditions. Mango trees thrive in warm climates with plenty of sunlight and well-drained soil. The planting season usually begins in late spring when the weather is stable and the soil retains the ideal moisture levels. Farmers carefully select high-quality varieties, often grafted trees, to ensure optimal yield and resistance to pests. Once prepared, the seeds or saplings are planted at specific intervals to allow the roots to spread freely and the canopy to receive adequate sunlight. In the early years, mango trees demand diligent care to ensure healthy and stable growth. Regular watering is essential to maintain optimal moisture levels for the roots, while periodic fertilization provides the necessary nutrients to boost growth rates. Additionally, spraying is a vital method to protect mango trees from pests, diseases, and other harmful factors, while also delivering supplemental nutrients through the leaves to enhance their vigor. Beyond traditional methods, the advent of modern technologies such as drones has revolutionized spraying practices. These devices enable precise, even application across the canopy, optimizing time and resources. This advancement not only improves protection, but also strengthens the tree's resilience against adverse weather conditions. Pruning is another crucial element in mango tree care, focusing on removing dry and diseased branches. By eliminating these weaker parts, the tree can channel nutrients to the healthier, productive sections, boosting overall growth and improving fruit quality. This practice is essential for maintaining stable and efficient growth in mango orchards. Mango trees typically take about 2 to 3 years to mature and start bearing fruit. During the flowering season, the trees are adorned with fragrant blossoms, signaling the beginning of fruit production. The mangoes develop steadily and, after approximately 105 days, are ready for harvest. Through this documentary, we hope you have gained a deeper understanding of the mango production journey and the dedication of farmers who work tirelessly to bring us high-quality mangoes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We'd love to hear your thoughts or suggestions for future topics in the comments section below. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will embark on a fascinating journey of cashew nuts. From the soil they are grown in to the shelves of stores around the globe. Cashews are not just a snack, they are a testament to the dedication of farmers, the marvels of agricultural science, and the complexities of global trade. Join us as we explore the cultivation, harvesting, and processing of this versatile and highly valuable nut. The process of harvesting cashews requires the skill and experience of farmers. They primarily use manual techniques to collect ripe fruits, which often fall to the ground naturally or are gently knocked off a tree using long poles. Manual methods are preferred because cashew fruits are highly sensitive. Improper handling or the use of unsuitable equipment can damage the kernels inside, affecting their quality and commercial value. Timing plays a crucial role in the harvest, as only fully ripe fruits with bright red or yellow hues ensure the best flavor. Every stage of the harvest demands high attention to detail, not only to secure the finest products, but also to preserve their nutritional value, laying the foundation for a superior final product in the market. Ivory Coast is currently the world's largest cashew producer, with approximately 1.4 million hectares of cashew orchards and an expected output of 1 million tons by 2024. In 2023, the country exported cashews worth $3 billion, cementing its position as a global agricultural leader. Meanwhile, India and Vietnam lead in processing, supplying processed cashews to global markets. The United States and Europe are the major importers, reflecting the growing demand for this nutritious nut. After harvesting, cashew nuts are sun-dried to reduce moisture content. The nuts are evenly spread on tarpaulins or cement yards, allowing sunlight to dry each nut uniformly. This drying process takes 2 to 3 days depending on weather conditions and is both efficient and environmentally friendly. It also preserves the natural, distinctive flavor of high-quality cashew nuts. The journey of cashew nuts continues at processing plants where modern technology meets traditional care. Upon arrival at the plant, the cashew nuts are thoroughly washed to remove dirt and impurities. Advanced machinery ensures a quick and efficient cleaning process, preparing them for the next stages. The cashew nuts are then moved to the roasting phase, a critical step to enhance their flavor and crunchiness. Roasting at high temperatures not only brings out the natural flavor of the nuts, but also removes residual moisture, ensuring a longer shelf life. After roasting, they are cooled and go through an initial sorting process. Next comes the shelling stage, where the hard outer shells are removed to reveal the kernels inside. Modern machinery, equipped with sensors and rollers, ensures precise shelling and minimizes kernel loss. These machines can process between 45 and 1,200 kilograms of raw nuts per hour, a significant leap compared to manual methods. This not only enhances production efficiency, but also ensures uniform quality for each kernel after shelling. After shelling, the cashew nuts are sent through a thorough cleaning system to remove any remaining dirt or impurities. They are then carefully sorted and arranged in trays to ensure uniformity during subsequent processing. This step not only optimizes the processing workflow, but also prepares the nuts for the next stages, contributing to the overall quality of the final product. After undergoing initial pre-processing steps, cashew nuts are subjected to the drying stage to remove all moisture, ensuring they achieve the necessary crispness and can be stored for long periods without concerns about mold. Next, the nuts undergo a moisture adjustment step to balance the moisture content of each nut, avoiding excessive dryness that could affect their texture or flavor. This step plays a crucial role in preparing the nuts for subsequent processes. The cashews then go through a sizing process where they are categorized by size to meet various market standards. Following this, the nuts are processed using advanced machinery that selects those with beautiful, uniform coloration, enhancing the product's aesthetic appeal. Finally, to ensure maximum quality, the cashews undergo a manual inspection. Skilled workers carefully examine each nut, removing those that do not meet quality standards and catching any flaws that machinery might have missed. Thanks to the combination of technology and human expertise, only the highest quality cashews are packaged and delivered to consumers, ensuring both satisfaction and excellence in every product. Finally, the cashew nuts are packaged in specialized packaging using modern machinery to ensure hygiene. They are packed in various formats to suit market demands, ranging from convenient small packs to large bags for export, with clear information about their origin and quality standards. After packaging, the products are stored under optimal conditions before being distributed to domestic and international consumers. The cashew tree originates from the tropical regions of South America. Care is essential during the development stage, in which watering is crucial, especially during the dry season, to maintain the health of the plants and prevent diseases such as root rot. Additionally, the proper application of pesticides in the correct dosage and timing plays an important role in controlling pests and harmful fungi. Proper care will help the plants grow vigorously, achieve high yields, and produce optimal seed quality. Cashew flowers typically bloom at the end of the dry season, from December to February, forming delicate clusters in shades of white or pale pink and exuding a gentle fragrance. This aroma attracts insects, particularly bees, which aid in pollination. After the flowers fade, successfully pollinated blossoms develop into cashew fruits, consisting of a vibrant, fleshy pseudo-fruit in hues of yellow, orange, or red, and the true cashew nut beneath, encased in a hard shell. The process from flower fading to fruit ripening takes several weeks and plays a crucial role in determining the yield and quality of the cashew nuts. The journey of cashew nuts from farm to table is a testament to the remarkable combination of nature, science, and human dedication. Cashews are not just a delicious snack, but also bring nutritional value and inspire creativity in global cuisine. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue sharing more fascinating stories. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Today, we are excited to continue our in-depth journey into the fascinating and intricate world of cherry farming, exploring every step from planting to harvesting and processing this beloved and iconic fruit. With its vibrant colors, delicious flavors, and exceptional nutritional value, cherries are truly a precious gem in the world of fruits. Join us as we uncover the dedication, science, and advanced technology behind cultivating this extraordinary fruit. Cherries are grown in regions with temperate climates and fertile soils, particularly in the United States, one of the world's leading cherry producers. States like Washington, Michigan, Oregon, and California, with their cold winters and warm summers, provide ideal conditions for cherry cultivation. These regions are not only renowned for their stunning landscapes, but also serve as hubs of the cherry industry, producing some of the finest cherries in the world. The journey of a cherry begins with soil preparation, a critical step in ensuring a healthy orchard. Cherries require loose, well-drained, nutrient-rich soil with a pH level between 6 and 7. Before planting, farmers often enhance soil fertility by adding organic fertilizers or decomposed manure, providing an ideal foundation for the trees. If the soil's pH is too low, lime is applied to balance it, creating optimal conditions for tree growth. Cherry trees are typically planted in the fall or spring when temperatures are moderate and the soil retains adequate moisture. Spacing between trees must be carefully planned, usually ranging from 4 to 6 meters depending on the variety. This spacing allows the roots to expand freely and ensures sufficient sunlight reaches the branches and leaves. To reduce labor and increase production efficiency, modern machinery has been integrated into the cherry planting process. Specialized cherry planting machines are equipped with advanced GPS technology, enabling precise planting locations and optimized tree distribution across the orchard. This ensures uniform spacing, creating favorable conditions for tree growth. The use of this technology not only saves time and effort, but also significantly enhances productivity and agricultural quality. Pruning is an essential and carefully planned practice in cherry cultivation, typically carried out in late winter or early spring when the tree remains dormant, but before the budding phase begins. This process helps remove weak, dead, or overlapping branches, ensuring the tree receives sufficient light and air circulation while directing nutrients to its healthiest part. Additionally, proper pruning enhances fruit quality, reduces the risk of diseases, and increases the tree's resilience to adverse environmental conditions. Cherry blossoms are a stunning sight, typically blooming in March or April, depending on the variety and region. Beyond their beauty, the blossoms mark a critical phase in the pollination process, essential for fruit development. Bees play a vital role in transferring pollen between flowers, facilitating the growth of young cherries. After pollination, cherries begin to form and undergo an incredible transformation over the next 45 to 90 days. Initially small and green, the fruit gradually turns yellow, then pink, and finally a brilliant red. This color change signals that the cherries are ready for harvest, a process that requires precision and care to ensure the best quality fruit. Cherry harvesting is a delicate combination of art and science, requiring skill and meticulous attention to detail at every stage. Each cherry is carefully hand-picked to ensure the stem remains intact, extending its shelf life and preserving its commercial value. Harvesters must select only the ripe, plump cherries, handling them gently to avoid scratches or damage. This process not only guarantees the highest quality, but also reflects the meticulous care inherent in modern agricultural practices. In large orchards, modern machinery is utilized to optimize the cherry harvesting process. Equipped with GPS technology and smart sensors, these machines determine the ripeness of the fruit, ensuring that only cherries meeting the standards are harvested. With a processing capacity of up to 20 tons per hour, they use a gentle shaking mechanism to dislodge the fruit without damaging the trees. High-speed conveyor systems quickly and carefully collect the cherries, minimizing damage. Some machines are even integrated with preliminary filtering systems that remove leaves and small branches during the harvesting process. The fully automated process enhances productivity and ensures the cherries meet the highest quality standards before reaching the market. After harvesting, cherries are quickly transported to processing facilities to maintain their freshness and optimal quality. Here, the first step involves washing the fruit with an automated system using clean water combined with a mild cleaning agent to remove dirt, bacteria, and impurities without damaging the delicate skin. Next, the cherries are dried to remove surface moisture, preventing mold and keeping the fruit in the best condition during storage and transportation. And then the stainer speed stores. Even when the fruit is cleaned during storage and transportation, afterward, cherries are sorted using modern machinery equipped with sensor technology and 3D scanning, enabling precise evaluation of each cherry based on size, color, sheen, and even the smallest imperfections. This process ensures that only cherries meeting the highest standards of quality and aesthetics proceed to the next stage. At the same time, the system automates the sorting process, enhancing efficiency and minimizing errors during handling. Standard-grade cherries are packaged in temperature-controlled environments to preserve their freshness during transit. Specialized packaging protects the fruit from physical damage and extends its shelf life, making the cherries ready for export to distant markets. Additionally, cherries are processed into a variety of rich products such as canned cherries, jam, juice, syrup, and even as ingredients in desserts or premium beverages. These products not only help preserve the unique flavor and extend shelf life, but also meet the diverse tastes of consumers worldwide. As a result, cherries are not only fresh fruit, but have also become a valuable commodity in the food and international trade industries. Ending our journey into the world of cherry cultivation, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the dedication and expertise required to produce this incredible fruit. Which part of this process did you find most fascinating? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more captivating stories from the world of agriculture. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next exploration.